Hey there, we are on another project in Palm Harbor, Florida. Today we will be doing a house wash for this particular client. One of the things that I like to point out anytime that we do a walkthrough is what condition the siding is in. If we look closely at this siding, we have some oxidation. We are not here for the oxidation. That is something they need to address separately. But we are going to get all the mold and mildew, bug nests, things like that off of here. As we come around the side, you'll see how even the neighbors is all sun faded and oxidized as well. So we're going to go ahead and do our cleaning here. As you can see, this entire wall is really green. Then when we come back here, we have a patio, and they get a lot of pollen on the screens, so we want to get that cleaned up for them as well. We do have to be careful about this outlet. It's not the best cover for the electrical, so we're going to go ahead and tape that for our own safety. But there you can see all the stuff that builds up. Holy cow. Look at our little buddy. All right, we are finished with this project here in Palm Harbor. As you can see, the siding on this side is pretty well dry. We do have a little bit leaking from weep holes and so forth, but it is almost completely dried off. All of the mildew and so forth that was on the walls has been removed. We had a little bit in the brick as well. Of course, on the garage door, we had the droppings from the lizards and all of the insect nests. That's all been knocked down. And here you can see a nice clean window. I'm going to knock that nest down with a broom. I do not want to put any pressure into those soffits. But here you can see this wall was green when we got here. It is nice and clean now. And of course back here we did their patio for them as well. So the screens are clean, no more pollen. We also rinsed down the floor in here and the ceilings. As you can see, we took the pet's water dish, we rinsed that out, and we turn it over so that there's no chance of any cleaning solution being left behind. Do you have a home or office in the Palm Harbor area? If so, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Please give me a call or shoot me a text at 727-200-2352.